Namaste, dear friends, sisters, and brothers. Today we will study science behind meditation, lecture number 6. Today we explore something that often surprises people, this science behind meditation. So, for thousands of years, meditation was seen as a purely spiritual practice associated with monks, sages, and people who can sit still longer than the rest of us sit. But in the past few decades, scientists got curious. They wanted to know what happens inside the brain when someone meditates. Is this real or just ancient hype? Can something as simple as sitting quietly actually change the brain? Yes, researchers brought meditator into labs, connected them to brain scanners, heart monitors, and blood tests. And what they found was genuinely fascinating. Meditation is not just calming, but it is biologically transformational. Let's look at the science step by step. It increases gray matter density in the brain regions. Friends, think of gray matter as the powerhouse areas of your brain, responsible for learning, emotional regulation, memory, empathy, and perspective. So now here is the cool part. Meditation increases gray matter density. But here question arises how? Friends, imagine your brain as a garden. Meditation is like watering the plants daily. Neurons, the little brain cells, grow stronger connections. New pathways are formed. Old unused pathways shrink away. Studies show increased gray matter in the hippocampus, learning and memory center, the anterior cingulate cortex, attention center, and the regions linked with empathy and emotional balance. This means meditators literally grow stronger brain muscles over time. So yes, meditation is brain fitness, just without the sweating. Third, it promotes neuroplasticity, the brain ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Friends, let's talk about neuroplasticity, a very fancy term. Your brain can change, grow, and rewire itself, and meditation boosts this process. Every time you meditate, it is like telling your brain, here build some new healthy pathways, and while you are at it, delete the old ones where overthinking and stress used to live. In fact, researchers discovered that meditation increases the thickness of the cerebral cortex. This means meditators tend to become more flexible in thinking, better at problem solving, more adaptable to challenges, and faster at learning. It is like giving your brain a software update. Fourth, it reduces amygdala activity. It reduces amygdala activity. Friends, now let's meet the amygdala, a small almond-shaped part of your brain responsible for fear, stress, and emotional reactions. When the amygdala is overactive, you feel anxious, panically, overwhelmed, and emotionally reactive. Basically, your brain acts like it is in danger even when you are just attending a Monday morning meeting. Meditation reduces activity in the amygdala. Not only that, but brain scans show it actually shrinks in size over long-term practice. This means fewer unnecessary emotional reaction, less fear, lower anxiety, and deeper calmness. Meditation teaches your amygdala to take fewer false alarms. Instead of screaming danger, danger every time, it learns to say calm down. Let's evaluate first. Fifth, Meditation can lead to changes in the prefrontal cortex, an area involved in higher level cognitive functions, attention, and self regulation. Uh, so, uh, Prefrontal cortex is the CEO of your brain. This region handles decision making, planning, focus, impulse control, and emotional regulation. Friends, when this part is strong, you make better choice, and when it is weak, you make decisions you later regret. So the science says this clearly. Meditation increases activity and thickness in the prefrontal cortex. This means meditators are more focused, more patient, less impulsive, better at managing emotions, and more aware of their thoughts. So think of meditation as leadership training for your brain. Now, sixth, some studies suggest that meditation may influence telomere length and activity, which are related to cellular aging. So friends, now here is something absolutely fascinating. Inside your cells are structures called telomeres, tiny protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. They work like the plastic ends of shoelaces, preventing your DNA from fraying. Here is the catch. Shorter telomeres is equal to faster aging, and longer telomeres is equal to slower aging. So friends, some studies suggest meditation can influence telomere activity, the enzyme responsible for maintaining these telomere. Sorry, telomerase activity. Enzyme. Name of enzyme is telomerase. Okay, let me repeat again. Some studies suggest meditation can influence telomerase activity, the enzyme responsible for maintaining these telomeres. This means meditation may contribute to slower cellular aging, better longevity, improved biological health. Seventh, it reduces inflammation by influencing gene expression, enzyme activity, and by boosting immune system. So, friends, chronic stress creates inflammation in the body, which is linked to many health problems. So, meditation actually reduces inflammation at a biological level by affecting gene expression, immune response, and enzyme activity. This means your body becomes better at fighting illness and reducing internal stress. So, meditation does not just calm your mind, but it improves your body's internal environment. So friends, scientific research has shown what ancient sages always knew. Meditation changes you from the inside out. It reshapes your brain. It rewires your nervous system. It strengthens cognition, slow down aging, reduces stress, boosts immunity, and enhances overall well-being. So meditation is not magic, but it is a biology meeting awareness. It is ancient wisdom backed by modern science. And the best part is you don't need special equipment, extreme discipline, or hours of practice. Just a few minutes a day can literally change the structure and function of your brain. So thank you.